want Mia to go first? Okay, Mia, come over here. Mia, come over here and flick it.
I'm scared. I'm not want to flick
This
it.
is just a little whipped cream. Flick it. Flick this. Come on.
It's your turn, Mia.
Mia, flick it. Hurry.
And it's going to be in our
All right, 3. Okay. Oh, 4. Okay, so stick your chin up here. Put your chin right here. It doesn't hurt.
I don't want to agree with that.
Put your chin up here. Okay. Now, turn that 4 times. Turn the handles.
Where's this?
Yeah, 1,
2.
2, 3, 4. Okay. That's good. You can turn another one if you want. You want to keep turning it?
Uh-huh.
Get it, don't let it fall all over you.
Mia,
What
you're
cream,
eating.
Mia?